Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to us, make sure you do it right now. Do you know you can play the popular game Returnal on your mobile? The method is very easy and I am going to show you how to install Returnal on your Android or iOS. As you can see, I am playing Returnal smoothly on my Android mobile, and the performance is amazing. You do not need to jailbreak your phone, you don't need high-end mobile. You don't even need to purchase the game at all. Yet, it is free! All you need is just internet connection and install a launcher on your mobile, which will connect to the Returnal server. And that is it, just a few minutes and you can play the game on your mobile anytime and anywhere. Are you ready? Alright, first, open the browser on your mobile. Visit the website shown in the video, god.app. god.app. Okay, this is how the website looks like. Can you see the Returnal app icon? Tap on the app, or tap the search bar to search the name of the game. As you can see, I enter Returnal on the search bar. Tap on the first result and you will be redirected to the game download page. There is a big green download button. Tap the button and the launcher app will be downloaded to your mobile. The installation will begin automatically right after this. Alright, the Returnal launcher app has been installed successfully. Tap the app and we are into the game. As you can see, the graphic is stunning on my mobile. This game is really beautiful and amazing. Well, the gameplay is a bit complex, though.
Astra, this is Celine. I've crashed on Atropos. I survived, but Helios did not. Suit status, operational, but my sidearm is missing. I'm leaving comms open.
It is your turn to play the Returnal on your mobile. Visit God.of.app to download now. It is working on Android and iOS. I hope you enjoy the game. Don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for my latest videos. See you on next video. Cheers!